Historical of G30 SPKI Grup 6 10 IPS 3 Aura Cantika Janati Elsa Putri Mega Marsenda Eka Sulistiawati Zulinda Ulfa. Orientation History of G30 SPKI Lubang Buaya in Pondok Gede, Jakarta. This place is one of the most historic places for the people of Indonesia. Lubang Buaya is a place where victims of G30 SPKI killed. Lubang Buaya name itself comes from a legend that says there are white crocodiles in the river which is located near the area.
Event 1. On 1 October 1965 early day, 6 senior generals and some other people were killed in Menskop. They added that blamed to all of the palace guard Cakrabiawa, the threat royal to PKI, and at that team was led by Letkol Untung. Commander Komando Strategi Lieutenant on that team, Major General Suharto, then held a destruction about movement mentioned. At the critical situation at September 1965 appeared an issue about Consul General that revealed about some of his infantry that did statify towards Sukarno and intend to make him fall. Because of this issue, Sukarno was killed as the leader was command Cakrabirawa army to catch and take them to be judged by Sukarno. However, out of prediction at the operation of front of those generals come some wise measure, person who cannot control his emotions and killed Legend Ahmad Yani Panjaitan and Harjono.
Event 2. PKI is the biggest communist party around the world, out from Tiongkok and Uni Soviet. The members of this party is about 3.5 million, and plus pay 3 million from young movements. PKI also controlled the movements of unity workers that have 3.5 million members and the movements of rank farmers that have 9 million members, including currently the movements of women, writers of organizations and artists, and the movements of scholars. PKI have more than 20 million members and supporters. On July 1959, Parliament was dismissed and Sukarno established Constitution below President's decree. On more with full support from PKI. He strengthened the army with promoting the military general into the position he considered is important. Sukarno operates system of democracy terpimpin. Then PKI welcome Sukarno. The democracy terpimpin warmly and believes that he has credentials for patriotism of conception is that between national, regions and community that called Nasakom.
At the era of democracy terpimpin, collaboration between leadership of PKI and community of national movements in order to press the movements of independent of worker community and peasant was vital in solving politics problem and economy that's very urgent. Ekpor ekom bekom sangking, for reserves was also test raising, inflation kept increasing and corruption bureaucrat of military becomes epidemics. On the visit of Menlu Subanto to Tiongkok, Prime Minister Yau Enlai gave unhearted tip on Chung, whereupon this offer was free and without requirements, and then it was reported to Bukarno. He has detached the movement until G30 SPKI exploded.
The high officials that were killed: Letjen TNI Ahmad Yani, Menteri atau Panglima Angkatan Darat atau Kepala Staf Komando Operasi Tinggi.
The high officials that were killed: Majen TNI Raden Suprapto, Deputi 2, Menteri atau Panglima Angkatan Darat Bidang Administrasi.
Maijen TNI Mas Tirto Darmo Haryono,
Majen TNI Donald Ishak Panjaitan, Asisten 4, Menteri atau Panglima Angkatan Darat Bidang Logistik. 6. Brigjen TNI Sutoyo Siswomiharjo, Inspektur Kehakiman atau Auditor Jenderal Angkatan Darat.
Reorientation. They are national heroes who died on the battlefield at the G30 SPKI rebellion. Their courage in the face of the rebels is something that we have to follow either for Indonesia people or you people.